Hi Lori, this is what your Make a Waveform and Graphics cheat sheet should look like in your assignment. So I've already clicked on the waveform document that you can open, and I would actually print this document off, okay? So for each problem, so first of all, for problem number 1, you're just going to draw a normal pressure control waveform. So you're going to draw one waveform for the pressure. So pressure on the vertical axis, time on the horizontal axis, and then you're going to draw one for flow, flow on the vertical axis and time on the horizontal, and then the same thing for volume. And then over here, how do you identify the problem? So how do you know it's a normal pressure control waveform? What are two things you would look for? And obviously there is nothing to fix, so number 2 here is not applicable. And then this one you're going to do for normal volume control waveform. And again, you're pointing out what's specific about a volume control waveform as compared to pressure. Then the rest of these, dysynchrony on the inspiratory time, dysynchrony on flow cycle, dysynchrony on flow sensitivity. You only have to draw the flow time curve and the volume time curve. So when you come down here to this activity, as you advance through, so you would watch this video, and I believe the pressure waveform and the volume waveform you definitely can get out of this video, as well as some of your others. So you'll want to print that sheet off and have it right next to you while you watch these videos. You can pause the video and then restart them as you go. And then this video, I think this one might talk more about the problems with flow. I can't remember off the top of my head, but that's another video to watch, and then you'll be able to draw as you go. And then here, this one's just telling you it's asking you what is the problem, and it's telling you you need to systemically look at the flow time curve. Okay, that's this curve here, and identify the start of the flow and end of the flow. Then systematically look at the volume curve. That's this one down here, to see how they do or do not match up. And then this video here, it actually points it all out to you. So this one is a problem with the flow and time, which is one of the problems. Same with this one, I think. This one just goes through some more of the troubleshooting. So within each of these videos, you will find your answers to this. You just have to hand draw them on here. Now, once you're done drawing on this actual worksheet, like I said, print it off, draw on it by hand. You can take pictures of it with your phone, or you can just scan it into using a printer and a scanner to go through. But you'll see there are several videos within this one activity. Like here's a video on this whole slide that you'll want to go through. I can't remember how long each of the videos are, but some of them are shorter and some of them are a little bit longer. So just make sure you go through and watch each of those videos. And then this one is on all of the loops. So these last few questions on here with the loops, those should all be in this video. Okay? But this one has 16 slides, and there's probably, gosh, I bet 8 videos in here. Another thing you can do if you don't like those videos, or if you're not feeling you're getting it, you could just Google this and go to images on your Google search, and you could find them as well. This assignment, how many points is it worth? Let's see. See if I can pull this up here. Cancel. Just look at. See. So it's worth 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Looks like it's worth about 28 points or so. I usually don't end on it whole number, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 20, yeah, 28 points. So if this is an assignment that it's not worth a ton of points, and if it's going to take you a long time to do, because there are a lot of videos to watch, you might want to skip this one and save it for when you have more time to do it and just go on. Alrighty, I hope this is helpful. If not, we can Zoom together and go over it too. I don't know if I can play videos through a Zoom, but we could sure give it a try. Okay, let me know what you think about it. Thanks, bye.